So here is the comparison between Mailchimp versus Liondesk, which is now known as Lone Wolf. You can click on the links down in the description if you want to try out Mailchimp or Lone Wolf. Mailchimp is a widely used email marketing platform that helps businesses create, automate, and track email campaigns. It's known for its user-friendly design tools, audience segmentation, and automation features, perfect for small to mid-sized businesses looking to engage with customers via email. It also offers basic CRM, landing pages, and e-commerce integrations. However, pricing can increase quickly as your contact list grows, and some features are limited on the free plan. You can try their email marketing, websites, or transactional email plans. Lone Wolf, on the other hand, is a real estate-specific platform designed to handle everything from transaction management to back-office operations. It's built for brokers and agents, streamlining listing management, compliance, and digital document handling in one system. It's not a marketing platform like Mailchimp, but it does offer some CRM and client communication tools focused on real estate workflows. Its biggest strength is industry-specific functionality, but it's not built for general marketing or e-commerce. So, if you're looking to run targeted email campaigns and grow your customer base, Mailchimp is the right tool. But if you are in the real estate business and want to manage transactions and listings more efficiently, Lone Wolf is the better fit.